All right, so I didn't get all that much time to work on my jam entry today, but I did get a little eyeball that moves around as an enemy that will eventually fire lasers, as well as a little bit of player control here, all facing in the right direction. This is all set up as a scene in Blender. The camera is isometric-ish. I didn't go for like a specific exact isometric look, but I am quite enjoying the visual that this gives. So I think I'm going to move with this for the rest of the jam. I also put some texture on, say, the eyeball and the plane level there. Plane is just using a blockout texture that I've had laying around. It's a triplanar texture, which is pretty cool, but that's in a completely different crate. And you can kind of see some of my Blender setup here. It's pretty simple. It's got a plane here. The Suzanne character from Blender's mascot has a player character component on it. The eyeball itself is actually a completely different scene, as well as a collection instance here. So if I go to my scenes and I go to eye and we go to shading, then we can actually see that there's some texture setup going on here. This all came from some fairly basic and straightforward Substance Designer work. Nothing super interesting here. This is one of those rounded cubes, so you can see the unwrapped cube does look a little bit weird, but the only place that I'm going to have this eye is on that one cube face, so I'm not too worried about it. I do think I will change this moving forward, but it's good enough for now. If we go back to the Blender scene, you can see all the textures pulled in here for this eye, associated with a principled BSDF, which exports to a standard material for Bevy, and everything is set up and good and working. So that's about it. I didn't do all that much today. Tomorrow I'm going to try to get up on some VFX for the eyeball entrance, the lasers shooting, as well as the player mechanics and interacting with the eyeball.